since we are done with our meeting, can we please find a tea or coffee stall? I really need a cup of tea right now. Come, let's have a look somewhere around. Achai, there's a tea stall here. Wow. Let's check what kind of tea they have. And it's only for 10 rupees. Wow, yeah, I've never seen a combo at the tea stall. They have like a combo menu, a tea flask. I found my tea, but I'm not sure they have coffee. You want to go and ask them if they have some coffee for you?
Hello viewers, today we are here at the Bombay Stock Exchange in Fort. This is a very famous area here which is a commercial place. We are here at Achai for some tea and coffee. Well, you may go wrong with stocks, but you can never go wrong with tea and coffee. So here it's me, Minnie, and my sister, Koku.
Hey Minnie, I'm so amazed with the kind of coffee and tea they have.
Sure,
No,
yes.
it's like they're offering it in a flask, some combo meals. Why don't we go and try some and see how this experience
But
is?
I don't see the coffee on the menu, Koku.
I'm sure they have coffee. Tea and coffee go hand in hand, as you know, just like us, Minnie and Koku. So let's try some tea and coffee today.
Okay, I'm going to check if he has coffee, kind of an insider deal.
Sure, let's do
let's
that. They have only one type of tea, Minnie, so I think I'm sorted. I don't have any other option. But I'm hungry too. Should I order for a khakra for myself?
Okay.
Yeah, I guess. भैया एक चाय और एक खाकरा दे दीजिए.
Do you also have coffee?
Yes, hot coffee.
Hot coffee. Okay, can you place the order for one hot coffee as well? I so wanted a cold coffee today, Koku, but I think coffee in any form is just fine. People live to work or they work to live, but for me, I live for the coffee.
I think we are sorted with tea and coffee today.
Completely.
So let's try how this coffee and
Sure.
tea is. Here my tea is ready. Let me try some. Wow, yeah, Minnie, this tea is so good. I'm so fascinated with this brand on the cup. Why don't I ask these people how and why did they come up with this amazing idea? Hi Karan, how are you?
All good, yeah.
Karan, I just wanted to know what is your concept of starting this whole place? Where did you get the idea from?
So we felt the need of a fresh and hygienic tea, which in and around the area, as many as places where we visited, we
Right.
did not find a good masala tea.
Correct.
Everywhere, wherever we go, we find a tea which is very sweet and it just has elaichi flavor.
Right.
So we thought of introducing something with a lot of ingredients in our masala. We make our masala in house.
Oh, really?
So it's
Wow.
prepared. It's the same style and same
Okay,
concept masala
right.
that we make in house. We've started here,
Okay.
and we started giving and taking feedback from the people. So when we started taking feedback from people, we came to know. So there is a need of a pure masala tea. So I think that's where we came up with this idea of giving a fresh tea with the best possible price.
And what about these glasses? How come you got this, a logo
So
on a glass?
everywhere, wherever you see, you've seen cups with the
Yeah.
handle, and you've seen those
the
glass,
transparent,
the
yeah.
transparent thing.
right.
So we thought, why not give something different, something quirky to it?
Correct, right.
So that's
can
where
anyone
we
take
came.
these cups or is it with you?
So if a client is on board with us,
Okay.
we do give them their cups personalized for themselves.
Oh wow.
Every person has their own cups.
That's amazing. So this was the secret behind the Achai concept. I'm sure you're going to love this experience the way I am loving it.
Hey viewers, while Coco and I are sharing these amazing experiences about tea and coffee with you, our aim is also to convey the insights of the places that we visit. While this was a great conversation between Coco and the owner of the place, Karan, we've received a lot of information about this outlet and it was really very good to know. Coffee is ready? Okay.
Oh, while Minnie is waiting for a coffee, I think let me enjoy my chai and food. Wow, Parle G biscuit. There's nothing best in this world than dipping the Parle G in the chai and having it. It's the best experience and the feeling.
You seem to be really loving it.
Yeah, and the chai is so good, I can't tell you. You want to try some?
No, I'm gonna wait for my coffee, yeah.
Okay, as you wish.
Viewers, let me share with you how this amazing coffee can also be prepared at home. All you need to do is add coffee powder and sugar with a little milk or water. Mix this with a spoon, and while you're whisking this, you will see a brown color paste. The aroma of coffee while you're whisking this is simply amazing. Once the coffee cream is ready, all you need to do is add hot milk and your instant coffee is ready. Wow, isn't it amazing? It's just a matter of a few minutes and you can make the same thing at home as well.
Hope you have enjoyed the chai and coffee experience with us at Achai today. The way they have used the precautionary measures during this COVID times, and it was amazing to see the little secrets and the kind of tea and coffee they offer in this beautiful glass and the flask. It was really good to see this kind of concept used till date.
Very true, Koku. Viewers, hope you are enjoying these experiences with us, Koku and Minnie. Do keep watching our videos and do subscribe to our channel as well. See you soon next week. Till then, bye.